In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Aliexpress and make a purchase seamlessly. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials so you can shop with confidence and ease. Let's start at the very beginning by heading over to Aliexpress. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing aliexpress.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with an expansive selection of categories and a plethora of products. AliExpress is known for offering a variety of items from electronics and clothing to home goods and accessories, so you're sure to find whatever it is you're searching for. Once you're on the AliExpress homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The search bar at the top allows you to type in specific items you're interested in, which is super useful if you already have a product in mind. Otherwise, you can browse by category to discover a range of options. As you're scrolling through, keep an eye on product ratings and reviews. These are invaluable in assuring quality and making informed purchasing decisions. After you've found a product that catches your interest, click on it to view the details. Here, it's important to thoroughly review the provided information. Pay attention to particulars like item specifications, pricing, seller ratings, and estimated shipping times. If the product has variations, such as size or color, make sure to select the ones you want. Once you've decided on your product, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This is where you finalize the details of your purchase. Typically, you'll need to either log into your existing account or create a new one if you're shopping as a guest. Enter your shipping information accurately to ensure your package arrives at the correct destination. Now comes the payment part. Normally, AliExpress offers multiple payment methods, including bank cards and other online payment options. However, if you are considering cash on delivery, please note that this option usually requires a shipping address within a certain region and might not be available for all purchases. Simply proceed with selecting the available method that suits your convenience. Carefully review your order one last time before you finally click the checkout button to confirm your purchase. And with that, you're done. Your part in the process is complete, and now you can sit back and wait for your item to be shipped and delivered. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or shipping confirmations. Once your package arrives, be sure to inspect it to ensure it matches the description and quality you were expecting. In conclusion, online shopping on AliExpress can be a straightforward and enjoyable experience when you know what to expect and how to navigate the platform. I hope this guide has been helpful, and happy shopping.